So imagine you're in a business class and there's a major lecture on market trends that you just can't make it to. Maybe you were out sick or you had a work conflict. You take a look at the lecture notes afterwards and you can't quite understand everything as if it was a professor. And office hours are packed and you have a midterm tomorrow. That's exactly where ClassMate AI comes in handy. Hi, I'm Raja, the founder of ClassMate AI. We designed a platform for you as a safety net for times when you may miss class or you just need extra help. With ClassMate AI, you have a chatbot that uses your professor's lecture notes to answer questions just as if the professor would. It's like getting office hours on demand. Our chatbot is specifically tailored to your course content and the exact way the professor teaches, setting it apart from general query chatbots like ChatGPT. It also understands the nuances of how and what your professor teaches, ensuring that you have a context and detailed, rich answer. If you find difficulty in understanding a certain topic, simply put it into the chatbot, and you'll get a personalized explanation based off your professor's lectures. This is also a great tool for professors as well. They can see what questions students are asking within the chatbot, and they can make lectures better just like that over time. For schools, ClassMate AI is also great as well. It makes learning and teaching much more effective. ClassMate AI makes it makes teaching and learning much more effective as it improves the overall quality of education. In the future, we plan to integrate ClassMate AI with third-party sources such as Canvas, ensuring that each student has a tailor-made chatbot for each and every single one of their courses. So join me in the future of learning with ClassMate AI.